Hey Kamrul,
Yeah.
you are working for a long time in sports. I think you have a very good page. So, what will be the message for the youngsters through your page and through your analysis?
Well, basically, I founded the page for a moral reason. I think mm the young generation now, the young kids, youngsters, they are very much fond of indoor sports like mobile games, PC games. I'm not telling that these are not good. These are also good, but they need to be in the outdoor games. They need to involve themselves in the outdoor games, play outdoor sports, stay physically fit, and engage themselves with social works like to help others, look out for their relative persons, the persons who stay with them, the surroundings. They need to improve the social work against the drug, the other behavior which are forbidden in society, the bad works, the society disturbance, garbage. They need to step down because the youngsters need to get more in the society, more in social work, so that the society becomes a good society. So if you need to do that, you need to be in the position where you play games, sports, and stay connected with others, be in good shape with good people. So you need to do good work for the society, for your family, and need to build a good society. I think a clean society where like drug, the casino, the abusal of women, these need to be totally out of the society. So you have to work for this and need to do well for the better of the society. Need to be first, you need to clean yourself up, then you can do it for the society. I think this is the reason I founded the page. I think with sport, with outdoor sport, playing sport, staying together will I think this will be a good thing to do for the society. That's why I think I founded the page, and I think the love I have already got, and the appreciation I am claiming. So I think it's good. Hope to do well, and hope to motivate the young generation to build up a good society. And that's what I'm trying to do.
So, you have a very good and divine intention to the youngsters and basically for the society. So, we hope the best and very good luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much.